How to find interaction settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find interaction settings on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram and then just click on your profile here in the bottom corner, and here you will find the storylines, and then click settings. Now just scroll down, and as you see here you will find privacy. Then just click privacy, and as you see here you will find interactions, and now you can manage here comments or tags or mentions or anything you want, and just manage it and go back, and that's how to find interaction settings. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.